Hello everybody, my name is Claude Rustom. I'm a senior application consultant for Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. My goal with the videos and posts is to provide educational content for my customers, users, and consultants on Business Central. Please like, share, follow my posts on LinkedIn, subscribe on my YouTube channel BCwithClaude. Our today's session is how to run payment practice report in Business Central. Let's go directly to Business Central. First step, we will go to payment practices. We will create a new payment practice. We have two aggregation type. It can be by period or by company size. I will check with you all these details. In the header type, I can have my report for the vendors, for the customers, or for both vendors and customers. Starting date is a very important, ending date also. Let's go and try it. Let's put 01/01/2020 until today and generate the report. Automatically I will have some values here. In the average agreed payment period, here we will see 11 transactions. If I click on here, I can see the details of these transactions. If I click on 65, I will see also the details of 65. Then here the average actual payment period, percentage paid on time. I have 50% of my payments paid on time. If I want to see more details, I will go to this table, 0 to 30 days. We will see together how these days are, these payment period are created. 0 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, 91 to 120, and more than 121 days. Here we can see that we have 91%, 8.57 of the total invoice paid on these periods. And here by amount, if I have a partial amount paid, then I have 81.97% paid 0 to 30, more than 121 days, 18.03. As you can see here, the total is 100. Also, I can go and check the details. Let's go and see how the payment period are created. I have a table for that, payment periods. In the payment periods, I have days from, days to, the description, and the code. Also, if I go to the vendor, if I go to the vendors, I will open any vendor. Here I can see the company size code. Then here we can create whatever you want. I create big, medium, small, or large, medium, small as you want. Now if I go again to company size and regenerate the report, I will check. Then big companies, I have average agreed payment period, count 11. Average actual payment period is 55. Percentage paid on time, 40% of the big companies paid on time. Medium, I have 63% of the medium company paid on time. Small, I have 63.64. Also, what can I do is to go for the details and see the details of the transactions paid on time. In addition, we can go and print the report for the payment practice in Business Central. The report is printed in this way. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Thank you so much.